In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default card in Google Wallet. If you use Google Wallet for tap-to-pay purchases, it's helpful to know that the card at the front of your card stack is the one used as your primary card for contactless payments. The good news is that changing it is very quick, and you can do it directly inside the app in just a few moments. To begin, open the Google Wallet app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll see your saved cards displayed in a stack. Take a moment to find the card you want to use as your default going forward. This is the card that will be selected first when you make contactless payments, so make sure you choose the one you want to use most often. When you found the right card, touch and hold it. Press and keep your finger on the card until it becomes ready to move. This long press is important because it tells the app that you want to rearrange the order of your cards rather than simply open the card details. Next, drag that card to the very front or top of the card stack. As you move it, pay attention to where it sits in the list. The goal is to place it ahead of the other cards so it becomes the first card shown. Moving it to the top is what sets its priority for contactless payments. Once the card is in the correct position, release it. As soon as you let go, that card is now set as your primary or default card for contactless payments in Google Wallet. You don't need to go through any extra confirmation screens if the card has been successfully moved to the front. A helpful tip is to double check that the card remains at the front of the stack after you release it. If it does, the change has been applied. If not, simply repeat the process and make sure you drag it fully to the top before letting go. And that's all there is to it. Open Google Wallet, touch and hold the card you want, drag it to the top of the stack, and release it to make it your default card. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make checkout faster and more convenient whenever you use contactless payments.